The area of the planar region bounded by the curves x equal to 6y square minus 2 and x equal to 2y square. These two curves are equation of parabola. This is x equal to 6y square minus 2 can be written as x plus 2 is equal to 6y square, and this one can be written as x plus 2 divided by 1 upon divided by 6 is equal to y square, and this one can be written as y minus 0. So vertex of this parabola is minus 2 comma 0, and it is open at positive x-axis. The second equation is x equal to 2y square, and this is again open in positive x-axis, and vertex is 0 0. So we sketch the rough diagram of these two parabola. This is parabolas and this is origin. So this is minus 2 comma 0, and this parabola is x equal to 2y square, and the lower this one is x equal to 6y square minus 2, and we have to now find the point of intersection. So point of intersection for x is equal to this one, and we have to find the point of intersection. If you take a strip along y-axis, then you have to take integration two times or many times. But if you take a strip along x-axis, then you are done in a single step like this. So find the limit of y, because along x-axis, so x dy will give you integration of a small portion, and if we integrate this over the y limit, then this will give you the area of the shaded portion or this required portion. So find the limit of y. This is 2y square is equal to 6y square minus 2. This implies that 4y square is 2. This implies y equal to plus minus 1 upon root 2. Now we are going to integrate this over the limit. So minus 1 upon root 2 to 1 upon root 2, and you have to take 6y square minus 2, or you can take 2y square first. But this is area, so you can take mod. So there is no need to write in any order. You can write in any order, not a specific order. So 2y square and integrate with respect to y, because this is area and we know that area never comes be negative. So this is 4y square minus 2, and this is dy, and limit is minus 1 upon 2 to 1 upon 2, and integration of this one is 4y cube upon 3 minus 2y, and limits are minus 1 upon root 2 to positive 1 upon root 2. Now put the limit 4 upon 3, and this one will be 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 2 into 1 upon root 2 minus of a lower limit. So 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2, and again minus 2 1 upon negative of minus 1 upon root 2. Now you can see here this is cancel out by root 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 is cancel out by root 2 times, and this is again root 2. So we have root 2 upon 3 minus root 2, and value of this square bracket is 4 upon 3, and you can write again this is negative turns to positive. So root 2 upon 3, and this is negative. So root 2. So root 2, root 2, 2 root 2. This can be written as minus of 2 root 2, and this is again 2 times. So 2 root 2 upon 3. And we have to take or absolute value is running from previous part. So you can write finally. So this is 4 root 2 upon 3 is the final square unit will be the answer. So 4 root 2 upon 3, this is option C as the right answer.